sail away in the autumn breeze, waiting by the bridge to put my soul out.